Hey y'all, so it's the same day for me. I'm just filming. I'm filming 3 videos today. Doing an unboxing of sorts. I told y'all about the brand ShopFauxLuxe in my last, not in my last video, but in the video where I talked about Christmas gift. Well, it was a Christmas gift guide, and I was telling y'all like she makes really cute bracelets and blah blah blah. So sis had a sale, and I said, "Oh, you having a sale? You having a sale?" Because the bracelets, I mean, she normally has like the single charm bracelets for about $5 to $6, maybe even $7 regularly. But this day she had them for $3. So I said, well, why would I not go get some? See what I'm saying? Like, that don't make sense. I like the bracelet. I like the company. I like the owner, as far as I've seen. So why not? So actually, I'm gonna be honest, like, part of the reason why I got my Apple Watch, I got a new Apple Watch, but part of the reason I got my Apple Watch was to get one of the Apple Watch bands from her. Like, they're really cute. I'm gonna see if I can put a picture up, but they're really cute, and they got like a bunch of charms on it, and it just looked like you wearing a bracelet already, but you're also wearing your watch, and it's so cute. I spent a total of $50 something, and she also has Afterpay, which is why I even have these, because if it wasn't for Afterpay, I would not have anything, honestly. I mean, so the shipping was really fast, like really fast, considering like everything that's going on right now. Like, I actually commend her for like being able to keep up with orders, like having a sale. She had like a discount code for the whole month of March, which I actually didn't use, but it's fine. Like, I mean, I gave sis her money, and that's perfectly fine with me. But I got it came in a gold bubble wrap envelope, and with in little bags like this, separated by color. But she also gives out cards. On it says it just says Faux Luxe on the front, and I think that's really cute. And then on the back is marble, and it has the website at the top, and then the slogan for the broken bougie, because I mean, I may not be broke, because we don't want to speak that into existence. However, we finna buy these bracelets. Start with the silver / gunmetal. So actually, I have one on now. It's this one right here. Oh no, you can't see. Yeah, it's this one. Not the one with the Chanel, but this one right here. It's really, I thought it was really cute, and it stood out. It was a pretty big charm. I was like, well, I could wear this with my other bracelets, because this other one that I have, I actually want to give away from her. And it's supposed to have the little Sagittarius thing on it, but I don't know what happened to it. It was probably my fault, because I took them and threw them somewhere. What I have is one of the junk ones. This one is $6.75, I want to say. It's just got what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little charms on there. And what we got on here, we got 3 bows, a crown, a lipstick, a key, a purse. Yeah, but they all different colors, so I feel like in any situation, like, you could wear them, just because like it's got all. They pretty much everyone after this was $3, so I don't have to repeat myself. But yeah, so in this gunmetal one, we got one that has a Tiffany tag on it, which is really cute, because, you know, I have a Tiffany necklace, but it's actually silver. But yeah, I don't know if y'all can see that for real, but it's a Tiffany tag, and I mean, it looked just like my Tiffany. Also, another Louis Vuitton locket. This one is smaller than the silver one, but it's still really cute. And I think you wouldn't want to have like a big one like this one for something like for a gunmetal one, just because like I feel like the silver one kind of like stand out and the gunmetal one is like kind of subtle. I don't know. It just makes sense in my head that is smaller. I have this other one. It's a Chanel one too, but it's a like it was described as like a roped something of the sort. But yeah, here's what it looks like. And it just says Chanel like down here at the bottom. I think it's really cute. Because sometimes you need pieces that aren't bling 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 all the time. Like sometimes you need stuff to like balance all of that out. To the rose gold collection, I bought 2 of the same bracelet, so I'll probably end up giving one away. But here's one. It's a Chanel tag, sort of, kind of, and it's really pretty and sparkly. Here's a Louis Vuitton tag, which I think honestly, between this one and the next bracelet I'm about to show you, like these are my favorites. Well, I think it's one in the gold collection too that I really like. But yeah, like it's so cute. I love this one, and that's why I have 2 of them, because I was just like, oh my gosh, like I gotta make sure I have it. But then I ended up putting it in my cart twice. So I mean, it's fine, don't get me wrong, it's fine, but now I just have 2. But yeah, it says Louis Vuitton trunks and bags on it, and it's really cute. So like I said, I do have 2 of those. So I mean, and they look exactly the same. So here's another Chanel that's sparkly, and I think it's really cute. It's not sparkle all the way across. It does stop towards the ends, but like I feel like that's fine. It's a heart with like the symbols and stuff in it. Let's see if I can show you. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, that's what it looked like. And I think this one is so cute because I feel like it reminds me of my Tiffany necklace, and so I'm just like, anyway. Then there's the yellow version of the pink locket. I like this one too. Like, I mean, obviously I bought them all, so I like them all, but still, they're all really cute, and I feel like I really did myself a favor, like buying all of these. Now we have the golds. So starting off, Chanel key. So freaking cute. Like, it's sparkly, but it's the right kind of sparkle where it's not like overwhelming and it's not like too much, you know. And I understand that these only have 1 charm on it, so they can only do but so much, but they do what's necessary. Here's another Chanel one, and it's like a mixture of like rhinestones and pearls, which I think is so cute because it gives you like a different feel. Like, it's more of a elegant type. Like, I could go and pick up like one of my pearl bracelets that's in my room and wear it with that. Next bracelet it's like a baby pink, like enamel with the gold Chanel across it, and then it also has like rhinestones. Like, it's really cute, and I think it's one of my favorites. It's like top 5. Yeah, like definitely top 5. The next one is just a rhinestone Louis Vuitton symbol, which I think, you know what, I really do think this is one of my favorites, only because it's like, it's there, but it's also very simple. And so I would probably end up wearing it with like these 2 together. And now we have another Louis Vuitton tag that's actually more similar to the gunmetal one, but it's still really cute. It's smaller than the silver one as well, but it's still, like I said, it's really cute. Like, I don't know what else to tell y'all. Her Instagram and Twitter are both ShopFauxLuxe, and then She said, thank you for being a bougie babe. Use code BROKE on your next visit for money off. So it'll probably be about 10% off, which is fine, you know. I mean, companies usually give out about a 10%. That's what, your tax or shipping or something like that. Because I think her threshold is about $50 for free shipping, domestic. So US. On top of the fact that she has more than just these, like she got ones that you can customize. She has like ones for sororities. She has ones that are just more filled than these. Like these are just like basic ones that I decided to get, but you could go way harder than this. And she sell other stuff too. She sell lip gloss, lashes, like I said, Apple Watch band. She sells sunglasses. Did I say that already? I don't remember. But yeah. You better go spend you some money. That's it. That's all I got for y'all. Bye. I'm a motherfucking boss, I'm a motherfucking boss, I'm a yeah.